Everything the light touches is yours. Rawr. Okay, I'll leave you alone now. Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are going to be doing my St. Pat's nails look. I don't know what the title for this will be yet, but I'll figure it out later. To start this look off, I went in with my base coat from Glisten and Glow. I did this because I'm actually going to be wearing this the next 3 days at work, and I did not want to risk my nails breaking or chipping. I just always like to use a regular base coat when I have to work because it just makes the mani stronger for me than the peel-offs do. Once I was done with that, I went in with a base of Hollow Can You Gold from Damn Nail Polish. This is a really beautiful gold linear hollow. It is a little on the thicker side, but that's kind of the situation I've had with most golds and silvers. They are thicker because of the pigments used in them. So when you apply it, it does apply a little, I don't want to say like more difficult or anything because it's not. It does go on super smooth, but it's just a little thicker than you would expect a hollow to go on, if that makes sense. I'm hoping it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, I need help. To protect my cuticles, I'm using my Simply Peel Latex Barrier from Bliss Kiss. I've rambled on in all my videos about how I found this bottle, and I was really happy I'd found this bottle because I'd had a refill bottle and it had dried up. But then when I was organizing things and cleaning things up, I found this bottle and I was super excited, and I've said that a million times now. For the gradient, I'm using Emerald from Damn Nail Polish, and I'm combining it with Peridot from Damn Nail Polish, and of course Hollow Can You Gold, which is the gold we've already seen, and they make a gorgeous, gorgeous gradient. Absolutely beautiful. I want to say, if I sound like less enthusiastic than usual, it's not because I'm not enthusiastic, it's just because I'm very tired. It's going to be a very long work weekend for me. So I'm conserving energy. That's going to be a good excuse. I'm conserving energy. That'll be my go-to from now on. Once I had this on the makeup sponge, I just dabbed it on real nice and neat. I tried to not put more on the sponge than I needed because I found that lately when I'm doing gradients, I've been putting like fatter lines than I really need to make the gradient, and then they don't look right. I have like a thin spot of color at the top, a thin spot of color at the bottom, and then this big fat part in the middle. I'm trying to be more even and concise, and it's not going so well thus far, but we'll see how it goes as we continue. Once I peeled off my Simply Peel, which was a struggle because I keep sticking it up under the nail and it doesn't want to come off when I go to peel it. I was having a rough time, okay? Once I peeled that off, I went in with my number 2 cleanup brush from Twinkle Tea. I did some cleanup that left me with this gorgeous gradient. I almost did not want to do anything to this gradient, I'm not even kidding. But I went ahead and did stuff to it, which I half regret, but I half don't. I'm not sure if I like this mani yet. Slathered on more Simply Peel, and then got some Cloverfield stencils from What's Up Nails, which I don't agree with the name of because these are actually shamrocks. Clovers have 4 leaves, and shamrocks are the ones with 3. So they should be Shamrock Field stencils. But you know, I'll let it go because I love What's Up Nails stencils, and they're awesome. I dabbed that down, and then I'm using Chick Fight from Vapid Lacquer as the black for these. And instead of brushing it on over the stencils this time, I actually decided to use a sponge because I've seen people like say the sponge method's great, it comes up easier, it doesn't like create as many messes, polish doesn't leak under the stencils as much, doesn't get under vinyls, but I don't usually do it. Because sometimes I kind of think if I sponge too much, if I spend too long sponging, the vinyl is going to dry on the polish, and then it's not going to come off the nail, it's going to rip up the polish, or it's going to end up just sticking and looking terrible and causing me more problems than anything else. So, yeah. I sponged that on, and then once again tried to peel off my Simply Peel. This is like a struggle bus tutorial. I haven't had one of these in a while, but I'm feeling the struggle bus real hard with this. Peeled that up super nicely though, and then went in with my Get Your Shine On Quick Dry High Shine Top Coat from Vapid Lacquer. This has become my go-to lately, and I shined it up and made it beautiful. I'm trying to be more enthusiastic. My tired is seeping through slowly. I feel like that black really made the gold look more yellow than gold. I think mistakes were made. That's why I was like, I'm not sure if I like this, because I felt like the black didn't make the gold like pop as much as it should. It made it look more yellow. But then in the still shots, it looks amazingly gold and it's gorgeous. Anyways, that's how you get my St. Pat's Day look that I will be wearing all weekend while I work my butt off, because I'm not exactly a big St. Pat's partier or anything. I'll be working 16-hour shifts all weekend, guys. If you enjoyed this, though, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials and everything else, and I will see you guys next time.